Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying on track. Today I'm excited because, as you know, I have a sweet tooth and I love chocolate. So I'm going to teach you how to make my healthy brownie cookies. How does that sound? Before I do, just a reminder, if you haven't already subscribed, I want to hear from you guys. Please comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've changed things up, if you do it the same. And I love when you post on my group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. Of course, press the like button and share my channel with anybody on a health journey. So before I start, I just want to remind you also to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to cook these cookies for bake them, not cook them. You can cook them if you want, for about 20-25 minutes. So a lot of people have been making their cookies in little muffin pans. So I thought, why not? You can do that as well. You can do mini and make 24. You can make large and make 12. And I've sprayed my pan already. Or you can take parchment paper and just put it on a cookie sheet if you want as well. And to make them even, you can use little round cookie cutters as well. So what I love about this is it's 3 wet, 3 dry, and then depending on what you want to add on top of these cookies, all right? So let's start with the wet. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of egg whites. So you can use large, extra large, or you can just buy them in a carton. A 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And I just like to buy these little ones. In fact, I just bought this whole package at the dollar store, and it's almost exactly a 1/3 cup. So that works out really well. Unsweetened, and a tablespoon of vanilla. I told you, really easy, really fast. And I like things like that you can whip up and have as a snack, as a dessert. Keep them in your fridge if they last that long, or in your freezer, because anything that's lower fat is much better kept and will last longer, okay? So just whisk that up nice and fast or slow. And then in a larger bowl, because we're gonna add the wet to the dry, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, okay? And I'm using a 1/2 cup of fruit monk sugar. And I buy that at the bulk store. You can buy it online. And remember, my recipes are versatile. So if you don't have monk sugar and you guys don't like sugar substitutes, you can use whatever you like. You can use Swerve, Trevia, you can use regular sugar, brown sugar substitute, okay? Again, it's versatile. The other product that I love is my cocoa berry cocoa powder, and I get that at Costco. And I'm using 5 tablespoons, okay? I've already pre-measured. And I want to make sure I get all that delicious cocoa out of there. Looking for my spatula. Oh, it's hiding. So I just want to make sure I get all of it. And then I'm just going to put a pinch of some salt. I always like pink Himalayan salt. And that just brings out the flavor, and you just mix this up. And I'm a chocolate lover, and if you love chocolate, you're going to love this. No oil, no butter, no fat, but all the flavor and delicious. People always say, oh, you know, low-fat recipes, they don't have any flavor. But my recipes have a lot of flavor, and these are super delicious. So all you're going to do is take the wet, add it to the dry, take your spatula so you get all of it, and then you're just going to mix that up. And I just take a fork and I just mix that. Okay, just incorporate it all together. So fast. And I keep it in a container or in a baggie, however you like. Okay, just make sure that you just get all the sides. And it'll be like a nice thick consistency batter. All right, I'm gonna show you. Sometimes I'm rushing and I gotta make sure that I get all of it. I don't wanna miss any of it. Okay, so here's the batter. That's what it looks like. And then for those of you on WW, Wellness That Works, and not all of you are, that are part of my subscription of my YouTube channel, and it doesn't matter, okay? But for those of you, right now, there's 3 programs. There's the purple, the green, and the blue. And all you're really counting is the flour, which is about 10 smart points. And you're gonna get, if you make the mini one, you're gonna get 24. So you can have 2 of these babies for 1 smart point, I know. Or you can have 4 for 2 smart points, unless you make them larger. So you can get 12 large or 24 mini, okay? And the other thing that I wanna add on top is I have these sugar-free mini chocolate chips, and you can use whatever you want. Even if you're making it with your kids, I thought I brought it out here, are some sprinkles. I guess I didn't. Anyways, so you could put sprinkles on it, you could put nuts on it if you want. It's up to you. It's versatile. I knew you were gonna say that. So I like to just take my tablespoon and put them in each one. Okay, really, really fast and easy. Just gonna move that out of the way. And I just press it down, and you're gonna just wanna pop these in your mouth as soon as they come out of the oven, because the chocolate smell, and again, if you're a chocolate lover, you're gonna just love these. And they kind of look like a little brownie. So that's why I called it a brownie cookie. So I'm just gonna add it all in quickly. You guys take your time so then it looks a lot nicer. I'm just gonna add it. And you'll bake it for, I said, about 20-25 minutes. I'm just gonna take my fork out of here. I'm gonna take some out because some of it is a bit bigger. Take my, sometimes I add a bit too much. All right, I'm gonna get my spatula to get all of it, scrape out the bowl. And my oven is completely heated up to 350 degrees. Some of them might be a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Don't worry about it. All right. And then you're gonna wanna taste it. So that's what they look like. And then I like to sprinkle some extra chocolate chips. And if you want, you can put them inside as well. Or you can put them on top, or some cute little sprinkles, or nuts, whatever you want. Just gonna add those on quickly. And I definitely have to wipe my hands because they're a bit gooey. All right, and make sure you put it on for about 20-25 minutes, 350 degrees. And then they come out, and I have a bunch here, and they're super cute. I'll just bring it up to the camera so you guys can see. I put some little chocolate chips on top. And you can see inside, they're chewy, they're delicious. I've already eaten half of them. So this is like half of what we had from yesterday, because you can just pop one in your mouth if you make it mini. Again, you can make it larger, 12 large. You can put it inside your cupcake, your muffin tray if you want. Spray it really well, or your mini one, or just on parchment paper, and that's it. So easy peasy recipe, delicious, low fat, no guilt. Add a little bit of Cool Whip to it. Chop it up and put it in your yogurt, all right? And enjoy. Bye for now. Make sure you tell me what you think. Comment below. Tell me if you change it. Comment below. Press the like button, and of course, share. Bye for now.